Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are kicking off the CAT 2017 Quant PYQs Unlocked series. I will walk you through slot 1, question 1 to 5 in today's video, and I will show you the step by step how to solve each question conceptually. By end of this video, these questions won't just be solved, guys. You will understand the method behind every solution. So without wasting any more time, let's start the first question. The first question says that Arun's present age in years is 40% of Barun's. In another few years, Arun's age will be half of Barun's. So the first two sentences of this question are very important. Using these two information or these two sentences, we can derive the relation between Arun's age and Barun's age. Alright guys? And what is the final question? The final question is that by what percentage will Barun's age increase during this period? Okay. So let's say Barun's present age is equal to 5x years. Now guys, why am I taking Barun's present age as 5x and why not say 4x, 3x or just say x, right? I am taking 5x because it is given 40%. What is 40% guys? 40% is 40 by 100, which is basically 2 by 5. That means Arun's present age will be 2/5 2/5 of Barun's present age. And what is Barun's present age? 5x. Now I can cancel 5 and 5. My only motive was to avoid fractions, and hence I took Barun's present age as 5x years. You could have taken Barun's present age as 4x years, x years, 100x years, anything as per your wish. Alright guys. Now we are tolerating another few years. Now it can be 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. I don't know, right? We don't know after how many years. So let us say after n years. After n years. After n years, Arun's age will be half of Barun's. So after n years, what will be Arun's age? 2x plus n. What will be Barun's age after n years? 5x plus n. And we are told that Arun's age will be half of Barun's age. So Arun's age will be half of Barun's age. So this will become 4x plus 2n equal to 5x plus n. So I can say x and n are equal. So by how much percentage did Barun's age increase during this period? Initially it was 5x. Now it has become 5x plus n. And what is that? N is basically x. So 5x plus x will give me 6x. So what is the increment guys? X divided by 5x into 100, because we need percentage. X and x will get cancelled. So this will be 20 percentage. So this is a type in the answer. So you will have to enter 20 as the answer. So the correct answer for this question is 20. Let's move on to the second question guys. A person can complete a job in 120 days. He works alone on day 1. On day 2 he is joined by another person who also can complete the job in exactly 120 days. So guys, what does this mean? The second person can also complete the work in exactly 120 days. This means that the efficiency or the work done per day by person 1 and person 2 is same. That means the efficiencies of both the persons are same because both of them can complete the same work. Please be careful. Same work, okay? Both of them can complete the same work in exactly 120 days. That is why the efficiencies of both of them are same. On day 3, they are joined by another person of equal efficiency. Like this, every day a new person with the same efficiency joins the work. How many days are required to complete the job? Alright, seems simple. So let's say that the efficiency efficiency of the first person, or the person who is working on day 1, is equal to m units per day. That means on each day the person will complete m units of work. I will repeat again. The first person, or the person who is working on day 1, I am considering his efficiency to be m. That means on each day the person will complete m units of work. And since all the subsequent persons that are joining the first person have same efficiencies, so their efficiencies will also be m units per day. So what is the total work that needs to be completed? Total work that needs to be completed will be equal to 120 m. Why 120 m? Because on one day the first person will complete m units of work. Suppose the first person is working alone, so on first day he will complete m units of work. On the second day he will again come and complete m units of work. On the third day the person will come and complete m units of work, and likewise he will keep working for 120 days. So what will be the total work done by the person? It will be 120 into m, right? On the first day he will do m units of work, on the second day he will do m units of work, on the third day also he will do m units of work, and likewise on the 120th day he will also do m units of work. This is the first day, this is the 120th day. So how many m's are there? 120 m's are there, so the total work will be 120 m units. All right guys, now as per the question, on day 1 only one person was working, so he will complete m units. On day 2 two people are working of same efficiency, so m plus m, 2m. On day 3 three people are working and all three of them have the same efficiency, so it will be 3m. M units of work is completed, 2m units, and then likewise 3m units, and dot dot dot. Let's say after the nth day the work gets completed. On the nth day how many workers will be there? N workers, right? Dot 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 dot, like this till n nth term, right? And basically there are n, like first day one worker, second day two workers, third day three workers, nth day n workers, and this will be basically mn. But the total work is 120 m, so I can say m plus 2m plus 3m plus dot 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 plus mn is equal to 120 m. If I take m common, I am left with 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus n is equal to 120 m. M and n will get cancelled. This is basically an AP. And what is the sum of n terms of an AP? First term plus last term divided by 2, which will give you the average, into number of terms. There are n terms, is equal to 120. Or I can say n into n plus 1 is equal to 240. Now see guys, n is the number of workers, so n must belong to natural number, positive integer, and n plus 1 will also be a positive integer. Basically these are two consecutive integers, n and n plus 1. Can I express 240 as a product of two consecutive numbers, two consecutive natural numbers? Let's see. 2 into 120, 2 into 60, still not there. 2 into 30, not there. 2 into 15, yeah, see, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. Yes, so I can say 15 into 16 is equal to n into n plus 1, right? That means therefore n is equal to 15. So after how many days? After 15 days the work will get complete, so your answer should be 15 days. This was also type in the answer, so you'll have to enter 15 as your answer. 15 is the correct answer. Let's move on to the third question. An elevator has a weight limit of 630 kg. That means the maximum weight limit or the maximum weight that the elevator can handle is 630 kg. It is carrying a group of people of whom the heaviest weighs 57 kg and the lightest weighs 53 kg. Okay, what is the maximum possible? Okay, the question is asking the maximum possible number of people in the group. So you have 53, you have 57 highest, and there are other people who will lie between 53 and 57 that can also be equal. I need to maximize the number, maximize the number of people, guys. When can this be maximized? Think, guys, when can the number of people be maximized? Okay, there are two cases, case 1, case 2. When the rest, okay, rest means in between the number of people will be there, right? Some number of people will be there. The weights of these people, this rest of these people, they can be towards 53, nearer to 53 or nearer to 57. If they are nearer to 57, then number of people will get minimized and will get minimized. Why, guys? Think why? Because if I say that they are suppose 56.xx, 56.79, something like that, okay, in that case I will have to distribute the remaining weight to less number of people, right? I already have 53 and 57, so this is 110 kgs already. I the total limit is 610. So if I subtract 110 from here, I will get 520. So this rest, I'll have to distribute this 520 kgs to the rest of the people. And if the rest of the people are towards 57, then each person will take up more kgs from 520 kgs, right? That means the rest of the people should be nearer to 53 to maximize the number of people. Alright guys, I hope you have understood my explanation. Why the rest of the folks or rest of the people in the group, their weights should be nearer to 53. Okay, so see, 630 kgs. Let's say the heaviest is 57, which is already given. 57. Subtract this 3, 7, 573. Okay, and 573 divided by the lightest weight. Okay, so 530 into 10 is 530, right? I can write this as 530 plus 43, right, by 53. So this is 10 point something something. All right, guys. Now number of people cannot be 10. Please remember, number of people will be positive integer only. I already have the heaviest one, which is 57 kg. Okay, and now I have this 10 people. This 10 people whose weights are 530 kgs. Okay, the lightest being 53, and I will be left with 43 kgs, and I can distribute this 43 kgs with the remaining 9, right? 1 plus 9, let me say 1 plus 9, where 1 is this 53 kg, and this 9 people, I will distribute the 43 kgs among these 9 people. All right, such that lightest will still remain 53 and maximum will still remain 57. So what is the maximum number of people in the group that is possible? 1 plus 9 plus 1. 1 is basically this one, 53. These are the 9 people and this is the heaviest one. So correct answer should be 11. This was also a type in the answer. So the correct answer will be 11. Let's move on to the fourth question. A man leaves his home and walks at a speed of 12 km per hour, reaching the railway station 10 minutes after the train had departed. That means he is 10 minutes late. And if he is 10 minutes late, that means he is taking 10 minutes more time. If instead he had walked at a speed of 15 km per hour, he would have reached the station 10 minutes before the train's departure. That means he would have been 10 minutes early. The distance in kilometer from his home to railway station is, this was also a type in the answer. So let's say this is the distance between the home and the railway station. Initially, suppose this is the distance is constant, so I can say distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, so let me say that his usual speed is v kilometer per hour and he takes t hours of time to reach the station. This is his usual speed and this is the time, such that he will not have to wait. He reaches the station at the same time the train also leaves. Okay, time in hours. Now, since the distance is same, now he has decreased his speed 12 kilometer per hour and he reached 10 minutes late. That means he is taking 10 minutes more time. So I have to say 10 by 60 because 10 is in minutes. Please remember t is in hours. So I'll have to convert this time, and this can also be written as 15 t minus 10 by 60 because he is 10 minutes early. So he is taking less time. That means his usual speed is between 12 and 15, that we are sure. So I will solve this two first. So what will I get? I will get 12t plus 2 is equal to 15t minus 3 into 5, 3 into 2. So this is 3t is equal, I will have to add, so 9 by 2. Yeah. So what is t? T is equal to 3 by 2 hours is equal to, or 1.5 hours. I have got the value of t. Now I will get the, oh, I don't need the v, right? I don't need v. I got t. I can substitute the value of t here. So t is equal to 12 into t. T is 1.5. 1.5 is basically 3 by 2 plus 1 by 6. This is 6, 3, right? 9, 10. So 20 kilometers. You can substitute 1.5 here as well. You will get the same answer. So the correct answer will be 20 kilometer. We are asked to find the distance in kilometer only. So the correct answer will be 20. Alright guys, it's very simple question. Let's move on to the last question for today's session. Ravi invests 50% of his monthly income, monthly savings, not income, monthly savings in fixed deposits. 30% of the rest of his savings is invested in stocks and the rest goes into Ravi's savings bank account. Alright. If the total amount deposited by him in the bank for savings account and fixed deposit is rupees 59500, then Ravi's total monthly saving is. So we are told that Ravi's invests 50% of his monthly savings in fixed deposit. So let's say his monthly fixed deposit is 100x. 50% is invested in fixed deposit, 50%, which is basically 50x. What is the remaining? The remaining will be 50x, which is remaining 30% of the rest of his savings. So 30% of this now is invested in stocks. 30% means 3 by 10. So 3/10 of 50x will give me 15x, right? 3 by 10 into 50. And the rest goes into Ravik's savings bank account. Savings bank account. The rest means 70% of the rest, right? 30% means 70%. So 50 it will be 35x, correct? If the total amount deposited by him in the bank for savings account and fixed deposit is this one, savings is this one. So how much he has deposited? 85x, and this is given to us as 59500. Then Ravi's total monthly savings. So I need to find the value of 100x. 100x is basically your is Monthly savings I am taking 100x. So what will be 100x? 59500 by 85 to 100, right? You will have calculator, you can calculate it. Let me calculate it manually for the timing. So this will be 5 ones are 5, 35 is 7. So this is 5 into 11 is 55, 45 is 900. Is it divisible by 17? 17, 9, so 17 into 7. 17 into 7 is 94, yes. So 700 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 70. The 1 stands 100, yes, 70,000. So the correct answer will be 70,000. Alright, guys. So that's it for slot 1, question 1 to question 5, guys. And to solve all the CAT 2017 quant questions with step by steps conceptual solutions, check out my playlist. I have included the link to the next video in the description of this video, guys. And also please guys, please do not forget to subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming videos in this series, and please do hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you everyone.